As JSXP just mentioned, today Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi participated in the 18th ASEAN India Summit at the invitation of the Sultan of Brunei. Brunei is the current chair of ASEAN. The summit, which saw participation of leaders of ASEAN member states, was held virtually. The annual ASEAN India Summit provides an opportunity for India and ASEAN to engage at the highest level. The 18th summit is the ninth summit which was attended by Prime Minister Modi. He attended the 17th summit last year, which was also held virtually. Speaking at today's summit, Prime Minister underlined the centrality of ASEAN in India's vision for the Indo-Pacific. He noted that partnership with ASEAN is a key pillar of India's Act East policy, and an united and prosperous ASEAN is central for security and growth for all in the region, that is the Sagar. Over the period of past 3 decades, starting from 1992, India-ASEAN engagement has evolved into a deep, robust and multifaceted partnership. ASEAN and India became summit-level partners in 2002 and strategic partners in 2012. The year 2022 is a landmark year. As you are aware, we are celebrating 75 years of India's independence in 2022 as Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. It also marks 30 years of ASEAN-India partnership, and to mark this important milestone, the leaders of India and ASEAN have declared the year 2022 as ASEAN-India Friendship Year. ASEAN and India will be conducting a series of activities round the year to commemorate this important occasion. Exchanging views on COVID-19, the Prime Minister stressed on leveraging strong ASEAN-India ties in the fight against the pandemic. He assured ASEAN of India's support in this regard, exemplified most recently through the contribution of medical supplies worth $200,000 to ASEAN's humanitarian initiative for Myanmar, in addition to the earlier contribution of $1 million for ASEAN's COVID-19 response fund.